Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by verifying basics and then initiate the update. Make sure your iPhone has at least 50% battery or plug it in. This prevents interruptions. Free up about 5 GB of space if needed by offloading apps or photos because updates require temporary room. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Cellular can be slower and cost data. Once these are set, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to begin the download process. Stay nearby while it prepares. You'll manage the download and get ready to install. When the update appears, tap Download and watch the % complete. This tells you how much longer. If the download pauses, make sure you're on Wi-Fi and connected to power, then resume. Read the release notes so you understand changes and potential app impacts. Once download finishes, choose Install Now or Schedule Later. Scheduling overnight is useful. Keep the device charged and unlocked until the installation finishes to avoid corruption. You'll complete the update and verify success. After tapping Install, the iPhone will restart and show a progress bar. Never disconnect or interrupt it. When it boots, go to Settings, General, about to confirm the new iOS version. This verifies a successful install. If the device gets stuck or shows an error, force restart it by using the volume and side button sequence, then reconnect to Wi-Fi and try the update again. If issues persist, use Finder or iTunes on a computer to update.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.